A lot of people have asked me how to make this bracelet. My name is RC, and in the video starting right now, I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to start this bracelet just like we're making a standard cobra bracelet. First knot is a typical cobra knot. First string goes across the cores, other string goes across it, behind the cores and through the loop made by the first one, pull it tight. Now what you're left with here is a knot where one side is pointing up and the other side is pointing down. When you're looking across your bracelet, you'll see one side points up, one side points down. You want to take the side that's pointing up, and it goes up between the cores. So the side pointing up goes up between the cores, make a loop with it. Now, I like to leave a little bit of a loop sitting on the other side to help myself keep things straight and neat. Then take the side that was pointing down, I'll get to it eventually, take that side, if I can ever get my strings to sit right, and you push it down between the cores and out across itself. So the side that's pointing up goes up between the cores, the side that's pointing down goes down between the cores. Okay? Super simple if you think of it like that. Up goes up, down goes down. Pull them tight, do your thing, make it neat. Now, you'll see the upside and the downside have switched, just like when you're tying a regular cobra bracelet. They go back and forth. Now the other side is the side pointing up. We're going to take that side, and just like we did before, it goes up between the cores. The side that's pointing up goes up between the cores. Make a loop with it through itself, just like that. Again, I like to leave a little bit of an extra loop sitting on the other side. It helps me keep things straight and organized. This is that side that's pointing down. Get its end, and it goes down between the cores and out across itself. Just like before, pull it tight, make it neat. Continue this process to the bottom. So that's how you make the two-tone Hitch bracelet. Made this one using two sizes of paracord with the 325 as the accent color. So you can make it using 550 for both colors, or you can make it using the 325 for the accent color. I love making it this way. It's very flat and flexible and just wears like a dream. It is probably my favorite bracelet that I've made to date. If there's anything else I can help you with, please let me know. Once again, my name is RC, and perhaps our paths will cross again.